All right, guys. Hey, how are you all doing? This is our Nasdaq. I think the structure seems to be becoming interesting now. And on month two, obviously, you won't see much of a change because we need one candlestick a month. So nothing has changed. We're still at the monthly area of support, and the same thing with the weekly one. We do have a weekly area of support somewhere there, and the weekly trend line. Remember, it's there. And then on daily, to show that the bearish momentum is sort of dying out, we had a bullish candlestick in over a week. So you can see from here, from this day, like that, we never had a single candlestick that closed as being bullish for that day. So we just had one yesterday, which means the bull seems to be catching their breath. And yeah, that's all that we're seeing here. And then on H4, I think we did have a rejection bars. Yes, we do have two rejection bars here. We have another one here, but nothing yet says to us that we can buy. We are still very skeptical because of what the trend and stuff like that. So at least if maybe we can break, if we can break what, because remember we are just having, if we can now, would want it to just the bulls to convince me that what, you can trust us with your money, you can put your money on us. But currently, the past couple of days they've been under attack. And let's check H1. I think that's where I drew the trend line. Yes, this is our H1. Yes, the price did go down, and we can see we're just undershooting that level. We're not closing outside it, this lowest point here. We did go lower than it, but we did not close lower than that, which means that the selling force was not that strong. Yes, it did manage to penetrate it, but it didn't go on the other side. And now we are back at that's Molanyana trend line that we drew here. We got that trend line the day we did lower low, right? And we are forming sort of a rejection there. But remember, we are at the trend line, so I can't just take a buy at the trend line, and there's a lot of resistance nearby, like this and that. So it's just a lot. So, but for now, we are having at least something that can say maybe we can break this, and then we can start looking for proper buying trades after we, the prices has convinced us that it is, breaking those bearish structures. And that's when we'll take it, because remember, this is going to be a very long term type of a thing, because of what it was, on daily, I mean on Monday. So I doubt you'll be able to hold it for months, but it's going to be, we are searching for a trade that can go to at least there. That one. But right now you don't have to do that if your time frames or your sequence, they don't, or the combinations, they are not that big, so you don't have to hold that long. But you can see everything will be pointing up. Should we break structures and be convinced that we are now going up, then yeah, I think that's when you'll be like, yes, everything is going up. Even now, I'm not sure if this thing is gonna win, because even if it wins, it still might struggle to pass there. But we will see. But at least now we can see that the bearish force is coming to an end, or it's no longer that strong. We were making very strong candlesticks on our way down, like very strong. We even formed like a gap to the downside and carried down like that. But now we're no longer doing that. We're just moving sort of like this. So you can see that at the end of the day, it's more like we're having, like a cup. So yeah, we will just see. We will just see how it plays out. But I just hope that it breaks the structure, so that we can look to buy it. All right, guys. Yeah, just have a look. Just be on the lookout for this one. All right, guys. Cheers.